Yo guys, and welcome back to this new video here on the channel. On today's video I will be discussing the very important Bitcoin chart, where we have been seeing, of course, this upward sloping support line getting broken here on the 1 hourly channel. As well, we will be discussing this very important retracing towards the yellow line of support, and we will be for sure discussing the 4 hourly candles, where we have been seeing, of course, Bitcoin retracing towards a critical level of previous resistance, as you can see here on the top side. As well, we will be going over the daily candles, where we have been seeing a W getting created here, and as well we will be going over the dailies, where we have been seeing this falling wedge breaking out here, and of course we will be talking about the parallel channel that have been breaking out here as well on the Bitcoin daily chart here. So guys, if this sounds interesting for you, make sure to already smash up these likes here, and as well, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell notification so you're not going to miss out on any of these daily uploads that we are doing here on the channel. So yeah, with this have being said, guys, let me go right away into the video. So first of all, you can see over here, Bitcoin of course formed this very beautiful and very important upward sloping support line here, and since forming this upward sloping supportive line here, guys, I was taking my eyes out on it, and of course I was seeing, if we're not going to hold on to this line here, you do want to be looking for a retracement towards this previous resistance target over here on the yellow line, of course, because this previous resistance target over here was always providing us very significant resistance. And usually once you are clearing such a level of resistance like we did here yesterday on the 29th of June, you are very likely to find support on this level if you're going to go to retrace towards it. So yeah, that was definitely the thing that we did. So, and as well, what you can see over here, if I'm going to zoom in a little bit here, this blue line over here, the previous supportive target towards the upside, we extended this level and also came together exactly on the point where we bounced from. And as well, guys, I've been already warning everyone here on the Discord server, on the Twitter page as well here, and like you can see over here on our Twitter page. So make sure to already follow us here on Twitter at Rover CRC, and as well make sure to join the Discord server. The Discord server is right now, link in the description. If you're joining it, you will be of course staying up to date about all these important signals that we are giving to you guys, because yeah, we are giving daily signals about the market, where we do think it's heading towards, and this was once again a perfect call on a perfect level that we anticipated Bitcoin to bottom out on. So yeah, perfectly done once again here. And what are we right now seeing on the higher time frame? So first of all, what are we seeing, with the momentum here? So yeah, the RSI cooled off very significantly, right now standing on the approximately 40 on the index. So yeah, that's pretty nice retracement on the RSI. So of course this will signify that we have some more room to grow here, but there are some bullish things right now unfolding here on the MACD, to be very honest, because you can clearly see right now is that we have been setting a higher low over here together with a lower low on the MACD. What is of course currently signifying here, okay, the standing strength is increasing, but we are seeing a higher low getting created. Is this a sign of a reversal, or is this very bullish here? So yeah, I mean, it is a little bit twisted because it's on the 1 hourly time frame, but typically speaking, this is quite a bearish structure. But yeah, I mean, as long as we're trading above the yellow line of previous resistance, guys, I do expect Bitcoin to hold on here. But yeah, I should highly suggest, of course, taking your eyes out on the chart here, and as soon if we are going to close a 1 hourly candle below this target around the 34.6k, we are for sure going to go a little bit lower. And I've been already giving my targets that if Bitcoin is going back towards 34k, I will be accumulating once again here, because the 34k range is coming together with some very important levels of daily support. But in general speaking, I don't really see the prices decreasing from the moment that we're right now trading on, because yeah, as well, if you're looking to the 4 hourly candles, guys, you can see a very important, very critical resistance box was getting created over here. We were getting rejected several times, and since breaking above it, we retraced towards this level. We found support on this very beautiful blue box of support, and since finding support on this level, guys, it is very likely to of course increase and of course continue the uptrend towards the upside. Even though if you're I mean, as well, if you're going to enable this trend line, you can clearly see, guys, we are creating a trend on the 4 hourly as well, with higher highs and higher lows. We are just basing towards the upside, and yeah, you're really coming together with a retest of this box over here. Massive previous resistance flips into support. It's just very likely to see a bounce from off the moment and from off the position that we're right now trading on. So as well, if I'm enabling the EMA ribbon, you can see the EMA ribbon is as well providing support right now on the Bitcoin 4 hourly chart, where we were first of course finding resistance on it, every single time here. So that's also beautiful to see here. More and more of these indicators are right now as well flipping bullish, what is making me feel pretty excited about it. So yeah, I do think that it is rather that you rather want to be bullish than bearish right now on the market, and the trend is still basing towards the upside. And as long as we are sending higher lows together with higher highs, I do want to be staying bullish on the market. So as well, a thing that you want to be looking at here is this very important W recovery and double bottom for Bitcoin. So we have been already discussing it several times here on the channel. So you can first of all see clearly double bottom getting created here. Clearly there's some kind of a W as well getting created, and since of course yesterday closing the daily candle above it, today we exactly retraced towards the neckline, and this was the level that I've been already mentioning every single video that I have been uploading here on the channel, and the 34.6k was the perfect retracement level. And yeah, coming together with this 1 hourly supportive line here, yeah, I just do expect the prices will be rising higher. And if you're looking to a particularly price target of this this W recovery, guys, this is of course a very beautiful price target sitting right to 37.7k here. What is of course an approximately 7% move from the point that we're right now trading on. So yeah, I definitely don't think that you do want to be bearish right now here, because all these signals that I'm currently getting here are pretty bullish together with this double bottom W. It depends how you're approaching it, but yeah, at least the neckline is flipping into support where we were previously finding several times massive resistance on. So it is looking quite strong, and it is looking quite exciting as well here. So as well, a thing that I've been approaching several times here, a thing that I've been saying several times here, is of course this beautiful falling wedge here, beautiful falling wedge, supportive line here towards the downside, resist line towards the downside as well. And since yesterday we broke out of it as well, and you can see the retracement. Of course, we have not been seeing a confirmation on the retest. The retest confirmation will be on the 34k. That's the reason why I've been saying 34k is a level that I should definitely accumulate, because that will be the retest of the falling wedge here. Personally, I don't really see it really happening, because yeah, there are different indicators, there are different things, different structures right now giving me a signal. Okay, it is not very likely to see Bitcoin retracing towards this level, because we're trading just on such key levels of support. So yeah, very exciting to see here, but we all know the price target is sitting of course way higher, around these 59k approximately for the falling wedge target. So yeah, looking forward towards it. And yeah, we are already seeing a breakout, so I do expect as well Bitcoin to rise towards higher levels in the coming weeks here. Don't expect that the price target is going to reach in a few days here. I mean, this pattern even took approximately 53 days to develop, so it can be for sure taking another 53 days here till we're going to see a new high. I mean, till we are going to reach this price target. So for sure going to be interesting, and for sure a thing to keep your eyes out on. And of course, it's not only the falling wedge that's breaking out right now, because we have been as well discussing, of course, already for over a month, even longer, this very important downward sloping resistance line on the RSI. And it looked to be that yesterday we're seeing a breakthrough, and today we're curving a little bit to the downside. But personally, I do expect to curve this one as well towards higher levels, because we're trading on such key levels of support. And of course, this can be signifying that today we are going to see, of course, the official breakthrough of the RSI downtrend, and this will be shifting the whole momentum for Bitcoin right and all. And guys, I'm right now even in my car, and I'm doing this recording because I'm right now heading to Austria, because I'm going to the Grand Prix of Austria over there. I'm going to visit it, but I saw these opportunities in the market, and I thought, okay, no way I can't make a video about it. And that's the reason why I pushed out this content. So let me know if you enjoyed that. I am making every single day content, because I have not been skipping any single days here on the channel, and I definitely look forward towards even making more videos for you guys. So yeah, coming together with the RSI downtrend getting broken here, the of course daily resistance line is as well getting broken, and like I told you already, the 34k is a very good buying opportunity, coming together as well with this previous resistance target over here on the parallel channel. So yeah, opportunity is extremely high here. We broke the downtrend as well here on this parallel channel, as you can see over here. Several times we touched these levels, and right now it's just giving you the opportunity to of course accumulate your your Bitcoin at relatively still cheap levels. We are running in towards the EMA ribbon, like we have been discussing several times here on the channel, but this will be definitely not the reason why I will become bearish, because I do think we can be easily breaking through this level, even though of course the EMA ribbon is a very important level that you do want to be breaking. I personally do expect that we're going to see this level getting broken, and today we are having a minor setback here, but we're trading on very cool and good levels of support. So I do expect the trend to continue towards higher levels here. Already you can see the 4-hourly candle flipped into the green once again here, finding beautiful support on this level. Guys, I feel extremely bullish here. So this was it already. A very quick update video here on the channel. It's not all too long of a video, but guys, thank you so much for watching here. I will be back probably later with another video. And yeah, this was already it, guys. So peace out. Goodbye.